Have you ever faced this problem in the real project? You launch one EC2 instance, but SSH is not working. No key pair file is attached to the machine. No port 22 access, and now you are stuck. You can't even install the basic softwares as well. In this video, I will show you how to install software on the EC2 without using the SSH, using AWS System Manager, the right and the professional way. By the end of the video, you will install software on the EC2 machine without SSH, without key pair, without opening port number 22 as well. And this is exactly how the things work in the real production environment. So these are the prerequisites. The first thing which you need is that is the AWS account. Then in the AWS account, you need to have permission to create the EC2 machine. Then you need to have access to the IAM, as you need to attach one of the IAM role with the EC2 machine, and the role which you need to attach, that is Amazon SSM instance core. We are going to install Docker on the EC2 machine without logging into the machine, without the SSH, without the key pair, without opening port number 22. Yes, zero login to the machine. And for this, we are going to use the AWS System Manager SSM Run Command. That is one of the central command which we are going to execute on multiple server or one server. I logged in into my AWS account, and in this, the first requirement for me is to go to the IAM. In the IAM, we are going to create a role, and that role we need to install to the EC2 machine. So let me click on the role. I already have one of the role created, but for this one, I'm going to create from the scratch. So click on create role, select AWS service. From here, you need to select the EC2 and EC2 role for system manager. Next, we have this policy attached, which is going to give me the permission for the SSM. We can give the role name here, demo SSM, and click on create role. Now our role is created. Here is the role. Now let me go to my EC2 and let's launch one EC2 machine. Let me give the name like demo SSM. I will go with the Linux. I will go with the free tier. For the key pair, I don't need a key pair for this one. Proceed without a key pair. Scroll down, and in the advanced detail, we need to select the IAM instance profile. And here we need to select the role which we have just created, demo SSH, and click on launch instance. Now we need to wait till the point it is not going to show me successful or completed. Here it is doing the status check. So to check, it is checking, one is the instance status check and the second one is the system status check. We need to wait till the time both checks are not passed. Meanwhile, let me go to the SSM. Here is the system manager. And let me show you one more thing. This is my EC2 machine. And if I go to security, here in the security group, I have port number 22 enabled. So let me do one thing. Let me delete this thing as we don't require the inbound connectivity. Let me go back to my EC2 instance. Let me select this thing, security. See, there is no inbound rule. So there is no port number 22 attached to this machine. Now I am in the system manager. In the system manager, we have the option run command. So here it is, node tool, run command. From here, we can run the command. So we need to click on run command. And once we click on that, we will get document from the system manager. So we can select the document, whatever the document we require. So what we need to do is we need to install the Docker, and this is for Windows and Linux both. So I can select this thing. Here I can go with the document version. I can go with the default option. In the action, I will go with the install. From the same place, I can also uninstall my tool as well if I want to. Now here it is asking me to select the EC2 instance. So I'm going to select the EC2 instance manually. So this is the instance which we have created demo SSH. Let me select this thing. We can give any of the comment here, and we can also create the log for this thing and send it to S3 bucket. But I don't want to do that. Let me uncheck this box. Let me click on Run Command. It is showing in progress right now. It is not going to take much time. So let's refresh it. Still it is showing in progress. Now I can see the message for the success. So here is the output. And if we have any error message, it is going to show us here. So in the output, if you see, it is going to tell me it has skipped one of the step for the platform type Windows. We know the reason because we have created the Linux machine, and that is the reason it has skipped the platform type for the Windows. Great. Now let me connect to the machine and let me log into the machine with the help of the SSM. So here is the SSM. Let me connect to the machine. Okay. Now let's see whether we have the Docker installed. Yes, we have the Docker installed. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's uninstall the Docker. For that, I need to go to the same AWS SSM Run Command. Click on the Run Command. From here, I'm going to select the same document, AWS configure document. In the action type, I'm going to select uninstall. Choose instance manually. Select the instance. Again, I don't want to send any of the log to the S3 bucket. Click on Run. Yes, now I'm getting the success message. Let me go to my system. So here it is. Last time I ran this command and it was giving me the output, but this time I'm getting command not found. So that means it has uninstalled the Docker successfully. So this is how we can install the software with the help of the run command. Now here if we have 100 machine, we just need to select the 100 machine and it is going to install on 100 machine. Let me quickly recap the things which we have covered in this video. AWS SSM, let us manage the EC2 without the SSH port number 22. Remember this, EC2 need the SSM agent and the IAM role to be running on the machine. If this video helped you, you can like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next lesson.